Friends, today I am very happy to introduce a very good learning tool from Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit of class 10. In trigonometry, you must have heard about an instrument called clinometer. Clinometer is used to find out the angle of elevation or the angle of depression of an object from a viewpoint. For example, in my case, the level of my eye is my viewpoint. And if I am looking at something at the same level of my eye, I will see that object at 0 degree angle of elevation or 0 degree angle of depression. But if the object is at a higher level than my eyesight, when I use the clinometer, I can see that object at an angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal ray and the eyesight. Suppose I want to find out the angle of elevation of an object. Look at the tip of the object through this pipe, this way. At the point I can see that object tip, I must see the angle made by this thread on this inclinometer. Now I can see it is 25 degrees. Therefore, now I see the object at an angle of elevation 25 degrees. In the same manner, if I am looking at some object which is at a lower level, I use the same instrument, the same manner. Now look at the tip of the object through this pipe. Yes, now I can see the tip of the object. Now the thread is making an angle at the inclinometer which is 35 degrees. So this is the wonderful instrument to find the angle of elevation or the angle of depression of an object. And once you get the angle of elevation or angle of depression, you know, using the trigonometric function tan, you can easily find out the height of the object. So this is one of the many interesting items included in the class 10 Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit. Enjoy.
ISRT Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit. ഇനി കണക്കിന് 100-ൽ 100.